Yo, what is going on, guys? It's the host Chewy and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm just going to be showing you guys how much I made in dividends this past month. So this past month was a record month, which I am extremely happy about. I've still been dollar cost averaging even though the market's been going down a lot. But before we begin, if you want to start making money online, make sure you click the link down below. And it's going to be the first link, so make sure you click that one. But this link is how I'm able to make 2K or more with affiliate marketing. And as of right now, I'm doing a free course on anybody who decides to sign up. But okay guys, let's get started. So I decided to take out some money out of Jeppy. I took out 10K and I put it into these positions over here just because I didn't want to rely on Jeppy. Like, yeah, it has a good dividend, but I don't want to put like all of my eggs into just Jeppy. And I wanted to be a little bit more diversified. So guys, if you have any other questions, make sure you ask them in the comments section down below. And if you like the video, make sure you like, subscribe. But okay, this is how my dividends went this month. So starting off with Jeppy, as you can see, we downgraded. Like I said, I sold off 10K, so this is down around like 10 to like 15% in dividends. But we made $1,029.84. And then realty income stayed the same. I didn't add or like subtract any of the shares. And then gain went up to $282. And that's because they had a special dividend, so this like went up by a lot. And I also put some more money into gain, so that's why this is up by a lot. And then Devo, it's down about $1, but this one I didn't change at all. This is just that the dividend went down a little bit. And then XYLD, this one is at 0 because their payment isn't until like January 7th, so they haven't paid out yet, but I know it's going to be around like $54. And then next up, ADC, this one is a new position, and then PSEC and main are both new positions too, and then HRZ is a new position too. But this one paid us $11.84, PSEC $24.72, main $26.52, and then HRZN paid us $6.34. And then Stag went up double because I've been putting a lot more money into Stag. And then DJIA, they don't pay their dividend until the middle of January, so this one I didn't add it. So in total I did $1,567.82, which this is a record month. Like, we're up at least like 10%. And it was mainly due to the special dividend gain, which I'm really happy about that. I know this next month is probably not going to be a record-breaking month, but we just got to keep pushing for more and more. But the crazy thing about making $1,567 is that it's going to pay for my mortgage and some of my utility bills. And this is just going to keep going on forever as long as I decide to keep my money into this. But yeah guys, this has been everything. Get to check out my links down below in the description. And feel free to follow me on Instagram or any of my social media accounts. And they are all at the host Chewy. And okay guys, this has been everything. I'll see you guys later.